Changing the email link to your TikTok account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the three dots or the menu icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 4. Select Manage Account. Scroll down and find the Manage Account option. Tap on it to view your account details. Step 5. Change email address. Under the email section, tap on your current email address. Follow the prompts to enter your new email address and confirm the change. You may need to verify the new email through a confirmation link sent to it. Once you've completed these steps, your email link to your TikTok account will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to finalize the process.